In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove stains from clothes. Here we can see I've got a stain. I am not sure what type of stain it is, what type of food got on it, but I also know that this particular method works for oil stains as well because I have tried it. And here I'm just showing you the alignment between where the writing is on the trousers and where the stain is, so that in future when I show you when the stain has gone, we will know where to look for on the particular trouser. So here I am with washing liquid. I assume you could use washing liquid of any type, doesn't have to be a specific one. Just put some on the concentrated area where the stain is, and then here you can see me rubbing it in. I was only using one hand because I was holding the camera with the other, and I thought to myself, oh, I'll show you how I rub it together with both hands. So all you need to do is work the washing liquid into the garment, scrub it together a little bit, and then all you need to do after that is just place it into your washing machine and wash it with the rest of your clothing. Here you can see the washing machine washing the clothing, and here you can see me taking it out of the washing machine. I had already taken the other clothing out first, and then I left this piece to the last minute. Okay, so here we can see me taking it out of the washing machine, and then I am about to show you where the stain was. And here we can see the garment, taking it out of the washing machine. It is still wet at this moment, and I'm just pointing out where the stain was, and in relative to where the writing on the trouser was. This was when I took it out of the washing machine and it was still wet. So here I would like to show you what it looks like when the trouser has been completely dried. Here we can see the writing is more clear after it's been dried fully. And here I'm just showing you exactly where the stain was, and that in the alignment to where the writing was on the trouser. And you can see the stain has completely gone. This has worked. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I also have more content like this in the playlist section. This is an easy and effective way to remove stains from your clothing. We can see it's completely gone, and here is a before and after. If you are interested in seeing more cleaning tips, please check out our playlist section and the community tab for more. We also have household cleaning and getting rid of limescale and mold.